cool if you are a buyer or seller who can't make it to closing. I know you're saying, Erica, why are you to a different person to sign on your behalf? It's something that is drawn up by an attorney. It has to be signed, notarized, ID has to be shown. All of those things has to happen. But it's pretty cool if you are a buyer or seller who can't make it to closing. We do it a lot if somebody is out of town. So if maybe a couple is selling a home and they've already moved to Texas or New York, they don't have to fly back into town just to sign. They can designate someone as power of attorney. It's limited, it's for one transaction, it's legally binding, and that's one of the ways that we make things easier for you. I'm Erika Page with Luxury Living International.